Good afternoon. My name is Yuri Simakovic. I am the author of the CortisolTracker app. Now I will show you how the main tool works for people on hydrocortisone replacement therapy. Cortisol is the body's primary glucocorticoid. Its deficiency disrupts energy metabolism, immunity, and the stress response. The goal of replacement therapy is to recreate the physiological daily cortisol profile in blood serum. The CortisolTracker app creates a digital cortisol model that is accurate, personalized, and predictable. Before starting the overview, let's agree that the user's age, weight, gender, and circadian cycle are already set. All decorative settings are at default, and the app is viewed on a screen with a width of 768 pixels or more. So this is the main window of CortisolTracker. In the center are three curves. The blue curve is the daily profile of a healthy person with a pronounced CAR, cortisol awakening response. The purple curve is the ideal profile taking into account today's factors: coffee, stress, nicotine, etc. The colored user curve is your theoretical cortisol level based on the doses taken and factors. Doses are added here. We specify the time, whether taken on an empty stomach or with food, and the number of milligrams. After saving toss, the dose immediately appears on the graph as a red marker. The user curve adjusts accordingly to the taken dose. The fastest way to adjust is by dragging the marker with the mouse. Both time and milligram amount change simultaneously. The graph recalculates in real time. On smartphone screens, this feature is disabled by default. Influence factors are added separately. You need to specify the time of the event and its intensity. Important note: food intake affects not the cortisol itself, but the absorption rate of hydrocortisone. The color of the user curve indicates deviation from the ideal profile. Green, normal. Yellow, moderate deviation, requires attention. Red, critical deviation, requires immediate dose correction or emergency help. Special attention should be paid to the morning cortisol awakening response, CAR. In a healthy person, the peak occurs 30-45 minutes after waking. The first dose should mimic this. Hydrocortisone should be taken immediately after waking and be the largest in the daily distribution. In this section, the user curve may turn red. This is because a cortisol-dependent person has a zero cortisol level in the blood serum before taking the first daily dose. In contrast, in a healthy person, cortisol levels begin to rise 1.5 to 2 hours before waking. The indicated red section of the user curve can be ignored. In the evening, the cortisol level should approach zero. If the curve remains high, reduce the last dose or take it earlier. All taken doses and factors are displayed in separate lists. They can be edited and deleted. E0.5 sec. The total daily dose is shown immediately. There are three main rules for working with the app. 1. Enter each dose immediately or in advance. 2. Mark significant influence factors. 3. Keep the user curve in the green zone without red sections. Try it right now. The link and QR code are in the description. Ask questions in Telegram or WhatsApp. Take care of yourself.